Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete a card from Google Wallet. Okay, so whether you're updating your payment methods or decluttering your digital wallet, I'm going to walk you through the process of deleting your card from Google Wallet. The first thing you need to do is to unlock your Android device and tap on the Google Wallet app icon to launch it, which I have done here. So swipe through your saved cards to find the one you wish to delete. So you're going to find all your saved cards from your home page or organize here. I don't have any cards, so there's literally nothing to show. But if you have your saved cards, you'll find them on this home page. So once you've found the exact one that you wish to delete, the next step is to tap on the card. And once you tap on the card, it's going to take you to the card details page. Now, once you get in the card details page, in the top right corner of the card details page screen, go ahead and tap the three dots menu icon to access additional options. I'm going to go over that again. So once you find the card that you wish to delete, tap on it to view its details. And once it takes you to the details page, in the top right corner of the screen, tap the three dots menu icon to access additional options. So from the drop down menu, go ahead and select remove payment method. Then, once you tap on remove payment method, a confirmation prompt will appear. Now, confirm your choice by tapping remove. Confirm your choice by tapping remove. The card will be deleted from your Google Wallet. That's it. So removing a card from the Google Wallet app deletes it from your device, but may not remove it from your Google account. So to remove it entirely, just visit the Google Wallet website at Google Wallet website at googlewallet.com, the website itself, not the app. And if you encounter issues removing the card, ensure that it is not set as your default payment method. You may need to set another card as default before removal. And that's it. You have successfully removed the card from Google Wallet. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.